Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix VPN not connecting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are facing a problem of your VPN not connecting, then all you can do is simply go and tap open the I button, that is the information section, and here you can simply go to storage and then clear your cache. And once you have cleared your cache, your VPN will now be refreshed. Now you can also fix your VPN not connecting by restarting your device as a whole. You can simply restart your device, and once you simply restart it, you can simply get your device to simply get rebooted and your VPN will work accordingly. So if this is not happening, you can try to check your internet connection, check your login credentials, and if nothing works, then you can simply uninstall the VPN and reinstall it again. So this is how you can fix your VPN not connecting problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.